Hello, this is Matt Davis, and I just got a package in the mail, so we're going to do an unboxing here and see what we got. Alright, so we got a Borlee 3D printer. It says on the back, "Wish you have a nice day. Thank you." So that's very polite of them. It comes with a user guide, which I will post online. It comes with a parts list here. Let's keep going. Which is 2 pages. So let's dive in here. Wrapped in saran wrap. Just tear through this. Get out my knife here. So as we dive in, everything is laid out here in some soft foam. Let's figure out how we're going to do this. Just to talk about the box, it came a little bit damaged, but it came all the way from China, so that's a little expected. Also, with the order, I received a box, a second box, which, let's see what's in here. It is a kilogram of green filament. Which is just in time for Halloween. So there's a lot of parts and pieces, and we're going to get into what everything does and how it all works together later. But we got some plastic wiring covering, some straps, some rubber belts, it looks like we have some contact switches and wires. There's 4 of those, a metal bracket, a roll of masking tape, a pink tape measure. That's pretty cute. Alright, Zyla wants to take a look at that. We got some ball bearings, big and large. Some tools. Some more parts and pieces. Let's see how big this guy is. It comes with a flash drive, a 4 gigabyte SD card, micro with an adapter. It comes with a pair of wire cutters. Those are pretty cool. Didn't expect that. Let's see what we got here. It came with a multi-card reader, so I don't have to worry about having a card reader for plugging it into my computer. They really kind of thought of everything here. So as we dive in, we got a one motor here, a second motor, and a third motor.
Dad, are you going to build it?
And a fourth motor.
Dad, are you going to build it?
Some threaded rods and some non-threaded rods here. Some zip ties. Some boxes here, I don't know what's in them. Some machine parts here. Woo. A couple cooling fans. I have no idea what this is. It's some sort of threaded sensor. Looks like it has a wire lead on it, another one of those. And then it came with a couple heat sinks. Looks like we got some starter filament in black, so we can test it out. Another roll of filament. A pair of tweezers. A USB cord. It's a USB 2 to USB-B connector, like your standard printer deal. It also came with a knife to scrape off the 3D print. We got some more machined pieces here. I'm guessing these are more of those brackets in the same box here. We got another little box. So one thing I'm excited about this 3D printer, one more. One thing I'm excited about this 3D printer is it does, it can do 2 filaments at a time. Some of the pieces are 3D printed here, and some of them are not. They're a little bit more complicated, and they didn't 3D print them probably to make sure they're accurate. It also came with a power plug, standard computer, and a on-off switch, so that'll get wired in once it's built out. Some more parts and pieces. I'll try to get close-ups of all these so we can see them. And that's the first layer. So I'll just get this out of the shot here. And this one out of the shot. All right, we keep diving in. Here. This is a plastic with a cover here. So that's a part. Oh man, words. We have this cut part here. This is the layer where we have all these cut pieces which build out we have these cut pieces that build out the frame. Have 3D written on them, just so I don't forget that it's a 3D printer, I guess. We're about halfway through the box here. So keep diving down. We have this is going to be the stepper motor for more than likely the height. Lay it down here. Another piece of plastic, and then the hot bed, the hot plate, which it'll print on. You see it's about 8 or 9 inches, probably more than that. Where's that tape measure I got? Where's that tape measure, Xylo? Did you take it?
Yeah. Here.
And they have it?
Here's the bubble gum.
Oh,
I call it bubble gum.
Yeah, we call this the bubble gum because it looks like it's a little bubble gum.
Yeah, because it looks
So-
like ours, but tiny.
So Fish Stories, it's 6.5 by 6.5. We got power, and then it looks like a sensor to tell how hot it is. As we keep going, we got a spare power lead for the plate, I'm guessing. Some extra wire. More extra wire. A heavy duty power cord, which is European, but we'll figure that out. And then some connectors here. Another stepper motor with a thread. some more connector wiring. Here we have the CPU. I'm going to leave it in the static bag for now. I'm going to be emailing the they gave me a universal travel adapter, which has a plug and goes to the European plug here. Also looks like it goes the other way, so if I push this in and lock it, I can flip these out and have the European plug in case I ever want to take my 3D printer to Europe. I can do that. Got a big old bag of screws. So this will be a fun build. There's a lot of stuff to it. Way more complicated than my last build. So here's the part of the system that takes the SD card. It also has the LCD screen on it, some sort of selector knob, and a select button. For now. And then in here we have a power transformer. And here's where we can probably change it from 110 to 220. Yeah, there's a switch right here to switch it over. So I can make that switch and then use one of my standard computer connectors to do the rest. And then we have a bunch of printed or cut parts. There's a lot of them, so I'm just going to keep throwing them out here until we're all unboxed. I'm going to have just a big pile of parts. One of these is busted. Nothing that super glue can't fix, but it's kind of frustrating that it comes with a broken piece. Alright, I'll deal with that later. I just want to see the bottom of this box, which is right here. So we finally hit the bottom, and here's our 3D printer in progress. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and leave comments down below. Thanks for watching.